How to enable or disable hide contact without numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone App. After click on Phone App, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down and click on Other Call Settings. After click on Other Call Setting, you will see first option is hide contacts without numbers. If you want to enable hide contact without numbers, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see hide contacts without numbers enabled. If you want to disable hide contact without numbers, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see hide contacts without numbers is disabled. You will enable or disable hide contacts without numbers from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable hide contacts without numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.